The icy highway sent some folks scrambling for shelter at local hotels, and some had to stay a while until the highways were clear.
Ellie Milliken checked in with some truckers who couldn't wait to get back out on the road.
Guys, the snow is still here and so is the ice. Some trucks are stopped and can't make it up the hill because of the weight in their vehicles. William Kurtz drove his truck from Missouri, but the weather forced him to stop in Perry.
We knew that Arctic front was coming, but we didn't know it was going to be snow like this, and turn into ice. So, but like I said, from Missouri, where we're from, this ain't nothing. It's the ice, it's the factor. The snow ain't nothing.
He looked at the ice Wednesday morning and said driving was still too risky.
For today, we probably are. I mean, just the road conditions are horrible. They're icy. You see the snow. I don't even know how a lot of these trucks are going to get up that hill just to get out of here.
Truck driver Eric Colton left Tallahassee Tuesday to head home to Decatur, but he too had to stop in central Georgia.
I guess I'd make it to Perry, Georgia. Once I get to Perry, Georgia, it'd be okay, but it seems like Perry, Georgia got more snow and ice than anybody.
Colton got a hotel room and woke up Wednesday morning seeing ice everywhere. He wanted to wait out the icy conditions.
We're okay to drive in the ice. We can most get by without the other drivers in the way, but when you got other drivers, four-wheelers in the way, best for us to stay in for our license and stuff.
Colton also says his truck carries around 20,000 pounds of weight, which can be hard in the ice.
I thought I could leave this morning, but I knew I wasn't going to be able to leave early in the morning. So basically, I wanted to make sure I had daylight before I even try to go. So right now, it is what it is.
Some truck drivers say driving in this weather is not worth it for anyone. Perry police say you should only be on the roads if needed. In Perry, Ellie Milliken, 13 WMAZ News.
Late this afternoon, the State Department of Transportation website showed a few icy patches slowing drivers down on I-75 between Macon and Vienna.